Hello everybody, I wanted to make you a quick video. I had a couple students talk about working on their research articles, and they were out looking for them, and I had some questions on what constitutes a research-based article. That's a very loose term, and I will shore that up for you through this tutorial. It won't be expansive, but I'll give you some tips for using Forsyth Library. So once you get to the Forsyth Library homepage, I'm going to take you through a very easy search. You'll notice that middle school math and technology is one of the things that our student that had the question was looking for. And so I'm just looking for his area, which is middle school, content math, and then it is about the integration of technology. So I'm going to go ahead and search that. And within that, I can go in and set some preferences for my search. So we wait for the web page to load. And I need to come over and use some of my filters along the side. When we talk about research-based articles in academia means they've been peer-reviewed, and they're generally from a journal. That means that it's somebody who's done research at an institution. They submit their research to a journal. The journal is peer-reviewed, and then they decide they're going to publish it. So we need to come over here and choose peer-reviewed journals. So that already cuts out quite a bit. The next thing we want to do is scroll down and do another filter, and we want to choose articles. I don't want conference proceedings or newspaper articles. I would like regular journal articles. So we're choosing articles. And the next thing you should really think about, depending on what you're researching, is, am I doing a historical account of technology in middle schools regarding math, or am I just looking for something more current? Traditionally, when you are looking for research, you are looking for research that is current. So you're going to come down and you're going to use, sorry for the pop-ups, you're going to come down and you're going to use your filters again, and you're going to change the date. Publication date, most research less than 5 years. With technology, 3 to 5 years is plenty, but again, if I'm doing something historical in nature, I may need to leave it from 1900 to 2019. I'm going to change mine to 2014, and I'm going to hit refine, and then I'm even using a more narrow approach. And so I can tell what my filters are by looking up here. I'm only looking at peer-reviewed journal articles from 2014 to 19 that have to do with middle school math technology. That should get me pretty close. Notice I didn't use any plus signs. I didn't use any quotes here. This was just a very broad search in the area. You can use quotes and plus signs to help you. Those are called Boolean operators, and they help you with some of your searching. So then I can start kind of looking through here. Of course, there's other things. We could be looking just in education, just students, just learning. I'm going to leave mine very broad and just look to see if there's something interesting that I may want to know about. This one called Finding Joy in the Unknown may be interesting. Measuring relationship between efficacy and math performance. Again, it just depends on what you're looking for, but these can be quick ways to find peer-reviewed journal articles from the last 5 years that may interest you. And if there's other buzzwords, topics, you could go ahead and stick those here at the top to go ahead and find those journal articles. You'll notice right away here how long the article is. If you're looking at articles that are 100 pages long, they are not peer-reviewed journal articles. They're probably somebody's research, like a dissertation. We don't want a dissertation. We want something that's been published in a journal that's been peer-reviewed in Nature, and then it is research-based as well. So this is kind of how you do it. This is one example of how you do it, and if you need any more help, please let me know. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.